In this video, we're going to look at scheduling jobs in Linux. This would be like using Task Manager in Windows. And in some of our previous competitions and images, we have seen pop-ups that would occur on a regular basis, and they were done through the use of a scheduling program. So here we see all our systems belong to me. That pop-up came and went, and that was done through a scheduling program. So let's take a look at those. In Linux, there's basically two ways of doing it, and we're going to look at both of them through our terminal. So I'll open up our terminal, and the first one that we're going to look at is the AT command. So I'll type in man AT, and I want to scroll down a little bit. So AT is the command that you'd actually use to schedule something, but ATQ is what we want to look at right here. Think of that as AT query. So this is going to give us the capability of looking at pending jobs. So I'm going to hit Q to quit and then type in ATQ. And so for this user I'm logged in as right now, there are no jobs. If I run sudo ATQ, that'll look at all pending jobs, and there's nothing out there. So I would assume then that scheduled job must have happened via the other method, which is via the cron. And to take a look at the cron, we type in crontab -L for list. So in this crontab file, you can see there's a lot of pound signs here, and that just indicates to the system it's a comment line. The one that we're interested in is this one down on the bottom. So here, let's go over the format real quick. And the format is in minutes. So this first */2 is for minutes, and then the star here, asterisk, is for the hours. Here's for the day of the month. This one is for the month, and then this one is for the day of the week, and then this is the actual command that's executed. So the */2 is indicating to the system that it's actually going to occur every 2 minutes, and it just happened 2 minutes into our video. So there we go. And so it's going to happen every 2 minutes of every hour of every day of the month, of every month, of every day of the week. So if I want to edit the cron tab or the cron file, I would type in cron tab -E, and that gives me the capability to edit. Now if I want to simply comment this line out, and by doing so it will no, and then put in the £. I now need to hit the escape key, the colon, right quit, WQ, and I like to give the exclamation point, and then enter. That has now saved that. So if we do cron tab -L, we can see we've commented that line out. It will not run anymore. Alternatively, the other thing we can do is just simply remove the crontab file with crontab -R. Hit enter, and now it'll have removed the crontab. And if we do the L again, we can see no crontab for this user. Now we've been looking at the crontab for this user. Just like everything else, we do sudo crontab -L, essentially the root cron. So that's essentially it. That's how we schedule jobs in Linux, and that's it. Thank you.